Yeah, pwede.
Oo, pwede or pwede mo sabihin, payag ako. Payag ako. Payag ako. Ibig sabihin, I allow it. Payag ako.
Payag.
Okay, so root word. Let's proceed. Another learning. No.
Okay.
Simon. Simon, have you heard of the word payag before?
No, not till now.
Root word payag. How about
Payag.
Muhammad?
Hindi.
Hindi. Allow. Payag.
Payag, hindi.
Payag. Allow. No? Yeah. Now, it can be conjugated into verb. Payag. Payag. Brandon, are you with us? I hope you're with us, but it's all right. Take your time. Verb payag. Pumayag.
Pumayag.
Pumayag. So, infinitive. No aspect of time. Pero pwede rin siyang past tense. Verb, the same as the form of infinitive form. No, past tense. Pumayag, past tense. Tense. So how do you say in English? Pumayag. Allowed. To allow.
Be allowed. Be allowed.
Be allowed. Ayan. Yan, no? Be allowed. Pumayag. Muhammad, what is present tense of pumayag?
Pumapayag.
Oo, pumapayag. Okay. Present tense. So in English, how do you say that in English?
Allowing.
Allowing. Okay. Present and future tense. Simon, your turn. What is the future tense of pumayag?
It will be papayag.
Papayag. Okay. Papayag. So, future tense. And then, allowed. No?
Allowed. You will be allowed. You will be allowed.
You would be allowed, no?
Will be allowed. Will be allowed. Something like that.
Okay. Muhammad, can you try to use any of these past tense, any aspect of time in a sentence?
Pumapayag ako sa iyo sa bahay namin.
Pumapayag ako sa iyo. Isusulat ko lang. Ako sa iyo sa bahay namin. This needs correction. I would put question mark in front.
I think pumapayag kita sa bahay namin.
Another thing. And I'm more pumapayag. Okay, anyway. Ako, sabi mo kita. Brandon, how are you doing?
I'm here.
So our new vocabulary for today, payag means allow. Allow. So kapag meron tayong, I need to speak English for Brandon. So pumayag, if you want to use the verb payag in past tense, pumayag is the word. Brandon, please say it. Pumayag.
Pumayag?
No, pumayag.
Pumayag.
Present tense. Present tense. Repeat after me. Pumapayag.
Pumupayag.
Again.
Pumapayag.
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 And then future tense. Papayag.
Papayag.
Papayag. Now, Muhammad, kailangan meron correction. I need to correct Muhammad's sentence. Okay. And also I need to understand what you mean, Muhammad.
Yeah.
Pumapayag ako sa iyo, sa bahay namin, I'm allowing you. Yung ibig mong sabihin.
Yeah.
Allowed in the house.
I'm
In
allowing.
the house. Or in
In
our
that
house.
case,
Namin.
in that case, dapat object focus yung verb.
Oh, talaga?
Kasi object yung sa'yo, yung the person. No, so another try. Can you use verb payag? Or you want me to say something to give the example?
Pumapayag ako si Albine sa bahay namin.
Iba kasi, no? Iba talaga ang expression kapag Filipino.
Ewan ko, I don't know.
Let's set it aside. Let's set it aside, Muhammad. Simon, can you give us a statement when you use pumayag?
Hindi pumayag ako lumalakad. I'd say over the grass. You're not allowed to walk over the grass.
And what is what's the last word?
You're not allowed to walk over the grass.
Over the draft?
Damn it. Over here, damn it.
Damit.
Damo, diba? Grass.
Damo. Yeah, grass. Damo.
Hindi ako.
So you're not allowed to walk over the grass.
Damuhan.
Damo.
Simon, almost perfect, but the position of ako. Hindi ako.
Hindi ako. Hindi ako first.
Oo, hindi ako pumayag. Oo. Hindi ako first. Hindi ako pumayag na. You need connector, Simon. Na. No,
Right.
na. Lumakad sa damuhan, grass, from the root word damo. Damo. Referring to the whole section of the lawn.
Yeah.
Lawn?
Yeah.
Muhammad, this is a good example. Hindi ako pumayag.
Yes, tama.
I didn't allow. Brandon, I didn't allow. Hindi ako pumayag. I didn't allow. Lumakad to walk on the grass.
How do you say over the grass?
Over. Ibabaw.
Ibabaw. Oh, yeah.
Sa
Same.
ibabaw. Ibabaw ng. Yon. And does it help? This is a good example, Simon. I'm proud of you. You're able to craft the sentence with a good idea, with good meaning, understandable. No.
Yeah.
Simon, please. Hindi. This. I need to delete this one. Wait. No. Hindi. No, this one. Simon, please read your example. Hindi ako.
Hindi ako pumayag na lumakad sa ibaba ng damuhan.
Oo. No? Muhammad, please say it.
Hindi ako pumayag na lumakad sa ibabaw ng damuhan.
Okay. Brandon, do you need help on vocabulary?
I'm not sure. Hindi ako. Right there?
Hindi
ako pumayag na lumakad sa ibabaw ng damuhan. I'm sorry. Yeah.
Sa ibabaw is above ng grass. Or lawn. Lawn na lang.
Oh.
Not I allowed to walk, but you need understanding who is the actor, who pumayag.
Ibabaw
or pumayag.
Damahan. Okay,
In
Damuhan.
other words, if I would like to say this in English, help me, Muhammad and Brandon, in English. I didn't. The way Simon say it, I didn't allow. Oh, I was not. I
I
didn't
wasn't
allow. Hindi
allowed. I
ako
wasn't
pumayag.
allowed.
I
I
didn't
wasn't allowed.
allow to walk.
Sabi ni Simon, I wasn't allowed. Tama.
Wasn't allowed.
I wasn't allowed.
It can be crafted differently. I'll give you the example. This time, hindi ako pumayag. I didn't allow. Hindi ako pumayag. I didn't allow. And this lumakad, this lumakad, there should be something. Lumakad. There should be another, that object to a verb. Object to a verb. The doer. Who should do the walking on the ground? No? Kayo or ako. It could be ako or kayo. Simon, make
Right.
sense?
Yeah.
There are two verbs here. One verb is pumayag, who is the actor, who is the action taker on pumayag. And then another verb, which is lumakad, who is the action taker on lumakad.
What I was trying to say, I wasn't allowed to walk on the grass.
So we can say that also in Tagalog. Let's do that. Right? And then I mean, like, I would like to correct this further to make it better. Let's see. Hindi ako pumayag na lumakad ka. It's better to say lumakad ka sa ibabaw ng damuhan. It means I didn't allow you to walk on above the lawn. Brandon, this is the or Simon, this is the meaning. Hindi ako pumayag na lumakad ka. You walk for you. I didn't allow you to walk above the.
So you just change the echo to ikaw.
Now
Car.
let's do something else. This time, if you want ako, I was not allowed. This time, that should be the object focus verb. An verb is what you want to use. Payagan. Like what Muhammad gave us as an example. It should be an verb. Object focus. Brandon, quite complicated. I hope it's not hard for you. But just listen, because there are two types of verbs in Tagalog. One is actor focus verb, another is object focus verb. Muhammad, the good verb, and Brandon, Simon, you understand object focus. Object focus for payag is payagan. So this is quite complicated in terms of conjugation. Payagan, I would say OF, object focus. To allow somebody, or somebody. To allow somebody. So, hindi ako pinayagan na lumakad sa damuhan. To make it simple, it means I was not allowed to walk on the lawn. Simon, is that what you want to say?
You have to change the echo to ko there.
I'm sorry.
But you do echo, and as it object focused, you have to change it to a ko.
Ako is the object. Hindi ako pinayagan. This time, you need, who is that didn't allow you? So there should be a party. First party, I was the doer of.
Oh, I see. So you put that further along. You put like.
Hindi ako pinayagan nila or niya. Or because it's not it's complicated when there is hindi. Hindi niya ako. Hindi niya ako pinayagan. Let me copy this one and another demonstration here. Brandon, I hope that for you is all vocabulary building in terms of root word. Hindi niya ako pinayagan. Simon, hindi niya
Mhm.
ako pinayagan.
Oh,
This
yeah, I get you.
means
Yeah.
he or she did not allow me to walk on the lawn. That is
Mhm.
what we want to how we want to express it. Simon, does it help?
Yeah, it does. Yeah, yeah.
Muhammad, makes
Still
sense to you.
confusing.
Makes sense to
Opo.
you.
Yes po.
Hi, Brandon.
Yes.
I like to
Yes.
make a simple statement for Brandon.
Yes.
Yes, are you good?
Yeah. I'm fine.
Are you ready? Or not yet ready? You need more time.
Hindi.
Oh no, I'm here. I'm here.
You need more. Okay, let's give.
Ready?
I would like to give a more good example. Verb pumayag si Brandon na allow. Pumayag si Brandon na ah, umalis. Does it make sense? Muhammad, does it make sense to you?
Yes, it makes sense.
Pumayag si Brandon na umalis ka. Brandon, how does it how would you want me to help with you here? Pumayag means to allow.
Yeah. Allow
Pumayag.
Brandon.
Si Brandon na is a connector.
mhm.
Na.
So yeah. And now Brandon. Oh, umalis.
Umalis is leave
Live. Okay.
you.
I'll leave you. Okay, I got you.
This means Brandon allowed you to leave. The way you say it in English.
Okay.
Brandon allowed you to leave. Brandon, that's how it is. Simple. Pumayag, verb. Pumayag si Brandon na
Mhm.
umalis ka. So it's as simple as pumayag si Brandon. It's complete. It makes sense. Brandon allowed you. Pumayag si Brandon. Pumayag si Muhammad. Pumayag si Simon. Is that good?
That's good.
Yeah.
With context. With context. Pumayag ako na kumain ka. Future tense. Papayag ako na kumain ka ng what is a good cake. Brandon, make sense?
Yeah, it makes sense.
Say it, please.
Oh, papayang ako ng kumain ka ng cake.
Please say it clearly. Papayag.
Oh, papayag ako na kumain ka ng cake.
Okay. Brandon, what does it mean kumain ka?
Kumain ka, eat you.
Eat you or
Yeah, that's what I thought it is. So, I'm allowing you to eat cake.
yeah, tama.
Mm.
Oo, tama, Brandon. Simon, your turn. Please say it. Papayag ako.
Papayag ako na kumain ka ng cake.
Okay. Muhammad, more example with payag, either the object focus or actor focus. Your choice. Give us example.
Hindi kita papayagan.
Hindi kita papayagan. Papayagan.
I won't allow you to leave.
Oo, kung may context, no, hindi. Ayoko, hindi kita papayagan.
Yeah.
Ayoko.
Not you allowed. That is not you allowed.
I'm not allowing you. Hindi kita papayagan, yung kita. I'm not allowing you. No? Oh, great. Okay, no, good. No. Let's create a conversation. What is a good conversation? Uh, any suggestion, Muhammad? Let's have a conversation. I'll
Okay.
create a.
Anong ginagawa mo?
Who are you asking? You're
Anybody.
talking to what?
I can anybody like
Okay. Okay. So
anong
let's
ginagawa mo? Like,
oh,
what's up?
training in Tagalog. Oh, pick somebody in the group na
Oh,
to
for sure.
talk. It's
Brandon,
more.
anong ginagawa mo?
Okay, Brandon, ano ang ginagawa mo? Please try to answer it in Tagalog. Brandon, ano ang ginagawa mo? That is what Muhammad asked you. What does it mean? Did you understand that, Brandon?
Um, um, I understand.
Okay. What is a good answer, Brandon?
Um, I'm trying to think of words to use. Ah, oh man, I don't even know how to answer. I don't know how to answer the question or whatever. But yeah, I
Can say
don't
like,
know how to answer.
nag-aaral ako ng Tagalog.
Nahagara.
Nag-aaral ako ng Tagalog.
Did you get this?
Nag-aaral ako ng Tagalog.
Oh, learning Tagalog. Okay, yeah, I can say that. Yeah.
Oh, please
Okay,
say
I
it.
was about to say I was looking for the word for learning, but I couldn't find it in my head. I'm
There
sorry.
you go. There you go. Yan na. Oo. Oh, Brandon, say it. Nag-aaral.
Nag-aaral.
Go ahead.
Nag-aaral ako ng Tagalog.
Please say
Yeah.
it.
Nag-aaral ako ng Tagalog.
Excellent. Oh, sige, Brandon. Brandon, now it's your turn. Ask somebody in the group.
Something thinking. Ask somebody in the group. Let's see. I'm thinking.
You can say it in English and I help you say it in Tagalog.
Oh, okay. I guess what did you do today? So I know I forgot the word for did.
Here you go. Ginawa.
Ginawa. Okay. What the do you today? Okay. I got you. Ano ang ginawa mo ngayon?
And are you asking Simon? You ask Simon.
Yes, si Simon.
No. Ano ang
just Simon.
ngayon, Simon? Say it. Repeat after me, Brandon. Ano ang ginawa mo
Ano ang ginawa mo
ngayon,
ngayon, Simon?
Simon, your turn.
Kanina pupunta ako bumisita nanay ko. Bumisita nanay ko. Tapos aralin kasama si Albine.
Simon, I had to correct it a little bit. I hope na, ayan. Kanina, bumisita sa nanay ko. Pumunta ako, where? Where is it? Where is the location? Sa bahay?
I'm going to visit my mother.
Oh, bumisita ako. Pumunta ako. You went to... Pumunta
visit my
ako.
mother.
Because your verb is dalawa yung verb mo. Pumunta ako.
Went.
Would you like to
Oh,
choose between punta or visita? Bisita. You can just choose one verb.
okay. Bumisita ako sa nanay.
Yeah.
Sa nanay ko.
Oo, kanina bumisita ako sa nanay ko, tapos nag-aral ng Tagalog kasama si Albine. This is the better construction, Simon. So, pumunta is one verb, but it should be expressed differently. Bumisita is good, you visited your mother. Simon, please say it again. Kanina
bumisita ako sa nanay ko, tapos nag-aral ng Tagalog kasama si Albine.
Oo. So, past tense yung verb mo, Simon. So, past tense. Bumisita. Nag-aral. Good. Please say it. Nag-aral.
Nag-aral.
Oo, nag-aral. Ayun. Now, let's reenact. Muhammad, your turn here.
Okay. Brandon,
ready.
ano ang ginagawa mo?
Oo. Now, Brandon, your turn.
Nag-aaraw ako ng Tagalog. Ano ang gani? Okay, give me a second. Nag-aaraw ako ng Tagalog. Ano ang ginawa mo ngayon? Simon.
Kanina bumisita ako sa nanay ko, tapos nag-aral ng Tagalog kasama si Albine.
Yay! Oo, no? Makes sense to all of you.
Yeah.
Yes,
Okay, I love working with you every Saturday like this. Unfortunately, 1 hour seems very short. Parang ang iksi ng isang oras. No? Okay.
Salamat po.
Oo, and sana nakarelax ka konti.